Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Audi A6. I have to be quick because it times out very quickly, this system. So, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to turn the Bluetooth on straight away. I'm going to go to the system, click telephone, search for new mobile, click continue, click. So it's looking for it. So now I'll go over to my phone and select Bluetooth, and I'm watching out at the bottom here. As I say, it does time out very quickly and says it's not found. So there you go, you've got Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, hands-free, click, the connection is being established, please wait. There you go, pair, does it match? Pair, yes it does, and click yes there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Connection's being established, please wait. And there it is, connected right at the top. That's the way you have to do it. If you do it the other way and try to do it from your phone, it'll just keep saying pairing unsuccessful. It's really awkward. It didn't used to be like that. I think it's probably the updates on the iPhone that have made it difficult, not the actual car. So that's the way to do it anyway.